Good morning, everyone. It's the final day of March, and yet it still feels like winter outside. Look at these current temperatures right now. 35 over much of the region, and, just barely above freezing. Just barely above freezing. All right, our high temperatures today, we're going up to the upper 50s, maybe some 60s across western Oklahoma. As we go further east, our temperatures go and drop off as a cold front just recently moved through the region. Going into our low temperatures this evening, you can see that once again we are going very close down to the freezing mark. And this is going to cause, some wintry precipitation up to our north. To say about 20% chance that we can get some light snow in some counties up above, maybe North Tulsa County. We could see maybe a little bit of snow, not much in the way of accumulations, possibly maybe a dusting at the most. Severe thunderstorms, our chances once again return for Friday and into Saturday. Currently have a Torcon of 2 I've issued for that day as we're waiting for models to kind of get a handle on the situation. I'll be back in touch. I know that says today up here. This is actually the Torcon for yesterday. We don't often throw Torcons of 7 up on the map, but we did yesterday. All right, we had a lot of tornadoes slam through Mississippi and Alabama, most notably one that went through south of Birmingham that is rated EF3, high-end EF3. As surveys continue, we are expecting that to maybe go up to an EF4, second one of the year. Severe threat throughout the entire week this week. You can see on Tuesday we had a severe threat for us, Wednesday, and now today the severe threat goes up to the north, and the system with those hefty wind profiles is what we can thank for those tornadoes. Speaking of tornadoes, if we're under a tornado warning, where is the best place to go? Definitely not outside. You want to go to the most interior and lowest room. So like a hallway, maybe underneath the stairs, a bathroom, a basement would be the best place to go if you guys have one, or maybe an underground storm cellar. Underground storm cellar. All right, next 7 days, you can see it's going to be rainy today, 54 degrees. It's going to be around the low 30s into our weekend when the high is going to be in the 70s. So that's good for our ISAS people. However, rain chances are going to return this weekend, and we're going back into some potential for severe weather into mid next week. I hope you'll have a fantastic end to your March and a wonderful start to April tomorrow.